Alan. I signed up for this course because I just want to get some basics of 3D printing. And I find it really interesting because there's really a lot of things that you can do with 3D printing. And I would really recommend to anyone who would like to pick up this skill.
Hi, my name is Yukai. I became interested in 3D printing because I could not find a small part on my appliances that became faulty. So that's what got me into this course. I find this course not only interesting but very beneficial. I want to show you, within such a short time, within half a day, I was able to get this printed out due to support and guidance from the trainers, yeah. And I would strongly recommend this to all my friends.